what it is, Facebook, Instagram, wherever this going at.
Well, now,
I
the
was,
police may come and tell you to come down.
okay.
Come down.
All right, I'm gonna get on down.
Okay.
Man, I'm sitting over here in Jeff Palmer's office, getting ready to do a refinance, pay off a couple of private lenders. And what do you know? The fire alarm go off in the building. What the beep? So now I am evacuating the building because of the fire alarm. And I gotta take the stairs because the elevator don't work.
When I walked into the grocery store, it smelled smoke. I said,
The life of a real estate investor. Man, I promise you I can't make this stuff up, man. I'll flip the camera. Oh, I don't know how to work the camera. So this stuff they'll tell you about when you go to these big seminars and you're gonna make $1 million. And I'll tell you, you're gonna get caught in evacuation. Thank God for new and updated technology, you know. If it was my building, I wouldn't be worrying about it because we don't keep paper anyway. Everything on the cloud. So for y'all who still using paper, let this situation be a good reminder or a scare tactic that, you know, if the building does go up in flame and you only using paper, your business gonna be set back for a good amount of time. So get these Google Drives going, get these my shared spaces going to keep all your documents. Have a good day.